Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again in the gold market. So compares to the euro currency, which stands relatively quiet and shows the performance that we have discussed recently. On the gold, we have the total mess. It's just by the two reasons. So first, we have the big political events that have been missed, mostly because of the expectation. All the attention is now focused on the Fed meeting, but today in the night, maybe somebody already read in our Telegram, we have talked about this. So one of the leaders in the Hamas has been killed in Tehran, and also his bodyguard. So this is really big event by the many reasons. It's a bit too large topic for just my minor video, but in two words speaking, BB has not occasionally visited the United States recently. Israel losing the war in a hybrid war in the Middle East, and they are not ready for long-lasting conflict. And the only chance for victory is to clash with the direct opponent in the region, which is the Iran. This is one subject. Second subject, Iran just has elected the new president, who is a bit more liberal than Raisi, who was killed in a helicopter crash, if you remember. So this is another big test. The fact that gold just has jumped and maybe no consequences will happen, it's a bit wrong suggestion. It's because Tehran has not announced yet what the response will be. They can't get the soft response that they got last time. So this should be some more serious response. And this actually explains why we've got recent rally in the gold market. And take a look at the 10-year bonds. You can see the drop in yields. Investors just are scaring with these events that, together with the Fed meeting some escalation in the Middle East, they just prefer to run in the safety and sit on the hands, see what will happen. That also, by the way, explains why the dollar is not dropping. It started dropping only today, right now, but yesterday, although euro was moving lower, dollar stands flat without any significant downward action. So once we will know the response of the Tehran, it might be a really serious impact on the gold market, and hardly this impact will be dovish, despite that market stands at the upper band area here. So this is first moment. And actually, yesterday we thought that this action might become a result of the Fed. It has become the result of the geopolitical external event that has happened at night, and you can see what has happened here. So it means that currently we could consider here the hand shoulders pattern, which might suggest a further downward upward continuation. The Fed statement might trigger only the pullback here, maybe, but hardly it will lead to the significant drop in the gold market in current circumstances. So on the hourly chart, we could consider a few levels that market could reach. The first level, of course, it's to watch for is 23.90-24, where we have a big cluster of the support areas in previous top as well. Next will be 23.80, the 618 support. Why retracement probably will be not significant, but the two reasons. Actually, we already explained this in our video in euro, because whatever Fed decision will make, it anyway will be dovish for the United States dollar. The strong decision, as we still think about it, as cut rate immediately in July, is definitely will be surprise and push the gold higher immediately. Breakout could happen without any hand shoulders on the follow time frame chart. If still Fed will give the clear signal on the rate cut in September, as investors expect, it could trigger some selling on the fact action. some fixing of the booking result on this, but it will not be significant. It will not trigger the deep drop in gold, because it will be just a correction. It will be some profit taking period, because longer term impact on the dollar anyway will be dovish. If Fed will give a bit more dovish comments compared to what market expects, that could lead to the just minor retracement here, and in general weakness of the United States dollar could continue. So keep it simple. There are two moments to watch. First is of course the Fed, but also keep an eye on the possible answer in Telegram. What will be announced, what comments will be, because it really could make impact on gold performance in the nearest days. So that two moments to keep an eye on. Mostly, I would say in general, the context is becoming really bullish for the gold. There's some tactical question exists how deep retracement might be, will be at all the retracement, and at what level market could reverse up. Yes, these technical questions exist, and currently, unfortunately, we can't say definitely. We just estimated 24, 23.90. It's more probable from technical point of view. But probably we will have to take a look and then to try to estimate a bit with more precision. So this is just suggestion. So let's keep watching, as gold market really might be appear in focus of the coming events.